Hey guys, William Murfitt here, and tonight I'm gonna install the subframe. So in the previous episodes we've had the subframe shot blasted, the upper arms, lower arms shot blasted. I've rebuilt the upper arms. I rebuilt the bushes in the lower arms. I fitted new tie bars, had it all painted up, and now it's ready to go in. Oh, and I've also put new cones on there as well, so it should be all new suspension at the front. I've dragged it under the car, as you can probably see, and yeah, I'm going to attempt to fit it on my own this evening. I've got the tower bolts in place ready to do up, and let's see how we get on. It's quite late, so if I do change clothes partway through, it's because I gave up. Let's get going. Beautiful. This is going to plan pretty well. This side is done. The toe and I are fitted. Other side is a bit of a gap, so I'm going to pack it out with one of these shims. Just goes in between the teardrop and the subframe, and then tightens up and takes out the slack. See, this is where I wish there's more than one of me, because top bolt's lined up, front bolt's lined up, the back one's not really anywhere near. So I'm going to try and pull the back ones to meet the subframe by pulling down the subframe. Once that's pulled down, the next step is to, once the bolts are through, pull them through loosely, and then try and adjust the front to suit probably using some of them extra packers. Nothing's ever simple. Right, it's just gone midnight. The subframe's all in and bolted in. I've done a few other bits and pieces inside the car, so I've fitted a new heater cable. I've also fitted these little blanking plates, and also for the other side, they're fitted for the wiping motor. I've just been looking at the clutch and the brakes to see whether it's worth fitting the stuff now, because I've also got the steering column to go back in, which is there. So yeah, I've got a lowering bracket for the steering column, which is going to go in, and then I think I'm going to fit the clevis pins for the brake and the clutch first, run some lines through. I've also actually fitted the, I don't know how it's going to come out, on the very front of the subframe, a clip to hold on the brake hose, because on the previous one it didn't have one, and it just seemed to flap about a lot. I've also stabbed myself straight in the hand. But yeah, it's midnight. I'm going to go to bed because I got up stupidly early this morning. I've stayed up stupidly late. And my alarm's going to go off at 5 o'clock tomorrow to do it again. So, yeah, we're making fantastic progress. I'd like to get this car on wheels so I could move it in and out of the garage. Ideally out, give the whole thing a sweep out, give the car a clean, and yeah. But anyway, that's it from me for tonight. As you can hear, I am knackered. If you have enjoyed this content, please click the thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Good night.